I've watched one of your interviews, no? And one of the things that the pickup ko from those interviews is yung demand side solutions na iminungkahi or isinuggest ninyo dun sa mga nakaraang interview. But for the benefit of our viewers, no, from the demand side, I know as part of the statement of PERPI, may mga binigyan na kayo mga ilang mga mungkahi, no, sa ating mga kababayan para matulungan itong ating pamahalaan dito sa krisis na ito. But could you just share some of those specific measures under the demand side solution na pinopropose ng PERPI?
Well, definitely ho, ang una-una naming hinihikayat na gawin ng pamahalaan ngayon, no, ay bawasan po yung transportation or travel around the metropolis, no. And there are many ways to do that, no. Number one, tama ho na inanunsyo na ng pamahalaan yung 4-day work week, no. But that's only in the public sector, no. Baka ho mas gusto natin palawakan ito at gawin din sa pribadong sektor, no. But we have to make sure that as we do this, yung work from home, kailangan po hindi tumigil ang ekonomiya, no. So we have to make sure that whatever work from home arrangements that the government will impose, no, should not affect those basic services, no, and basic economic activities, no. Huwag nating pigilan, no. That's number one. Number two, alam nyo ho, ito yung panahon na makikita natin sa mga sasakyan, isa lang ang sakay. No, we have to go back to perhaps more efficient transportation by carpooling. No, panahon na ho yan yung carpooling, no. At syempre ho, kasama ho dyan, enhancement of the bike program, no, sa mga kalsada. Alam nyo ho, lahat ho ng ginawa natin ng COVID, dapat ginagawa na rin natin ngayon, no. All to reduce the consumption of petroleum products, no. Isang bagay ho, of course, that we want the government to consider, expand the electric vehicle program. Dapat ho, ang unang-unang gumagawa nito, pamahalaan. No, yung mga sasakyan ho ng pamahalaan, ang dami-dami yung sasakyan, no. Dapat ho, nagsishift na tayo sa electric vehicle. Ang tagal na ho na itong program na to. No, but of course, the expansion is not that fast, no. So now is the time, no. Albeit a little too late, no. But nonetheless, it's time to move away from using petroleum products, no. Pinabahagi ko palagi, ako ho, naka-electric vehicle na. No? So hindi ako gumagamit ng gasolina. I've been using my car for 1 year. Siguro sa isang taon, 4 na beses lang ako nagpagasolina. No? So nagpa-plug lang ho ako ng kotse, nagcha-charge.